embracing God's plan. He that liveth reigns forever. It's time to stay with Him. It's time to discover His essence, an essence that portrays His plan. For by thy Spirit, soul and body becometh to thee, and in coming forth do we searcheth for thee. In searching do we knoweth thee, and in knowing do we liveth eternally. All through the desire of our hearts giveth in freely as we are born, sometimes set to correspond to the daily struggles and burdens, as each and every sacrifice must be made for the kingdom of God. In the face of trials and tribulations, God's plan is imprinted in our hearts just as hard as flint, surely left for us to uncover them in a peaceful and serene atmosphere. A unified desire that leads us into embracing God's plan, a plan to live in harmony and comfort, and a plan to open up to the Spirit.